Hello, folks. My name is Prathamesh Vauns, founder and CEO of PTNXTI. Today in this video, we will see the quick overview of our product, AI-powered voice bot, uh, that giving us solutions on real business problems. Let's just start. Hi, hi.
Hello. Thank you for calling Citadel. This is Aura. We help you check your loan eligibility. This call may be recorded for quality and training purposes.
Okay. Or actually, I want to connect with you for the checking my loan eligibility.
Uh-huh. To get started, may I have your full name and registered mobile number, please?
Okay, my full name is Prathamesh Vang, and my mobile number is 7038089207.
Thank you, Prathamesh Vans. To proceed, could you let me know what type of loan you are looking for today? Your options are 1. Personal loan, 2. Business loan, home loan, portal, education loan. You can just say the type of loan you're interested in.
Okay, actually, I looking for the business loan.
Got it. You're looking for a business loan. May I know your monthly income?
My monthly income is 70 to 80,000.
Thank you for sharing that. Could you please let me know if you are self employed or a business owner?
Actually, recently I am self-employed, but looking for the business owner. So that is why I connect with you.
Understood. You're self employed and looking for a business loan to support your venture. Do you currently have any existing loans or EMIs you are paying?
No, I don't have any existing loan.
Thank you for confirming. Do you know your approximate credit score or credit history status? You can say something like around 700 or I'm not sure.
Mm, like credit score, I'm not sure about it. Just I first of all connect with bank and then I let you know about it.
Uh huh. No problem at all, Prathamesh. Based on the information you've shared so far, it'll review your loan eligibility. One moment, please. Just checking in. Are you still there, Prathamesh? I'm here to assist you with your loan eligibility.
Sure.
Great news. Based on the information you've shared, you appear eligible for a business loan. One of our finance experts will call you shortly to assist with the next steps. Thank you for calling
Okay.
Citadel.
Okay.
If you
Okay.
have any
Fine.
further questions,
Okay. Thank you so much.
thank you for your time and sharing your details, Prathamesh. Let me connect you to one of our finance experts who will assist you further. It seems I can't transfer the call directly right now. However, one of
Sure.
our finance experts
Sure.
will
Sure.
reach
Sure.
out.
Please cut the call from your side.
Thank you for your time, Prathamesh. Have a great day ahead.
Guys, this is our bot. How our bot getting in solutions to customer instant answer, like any kind of humans connect with the customer. This is what also behave like that. You know, just a quick overview about the bots, and also I want to share with you how I made this product, and that this is our all about interest set of instructions that I gave to bot, and bot behave like that. Just greeting and purpose like thank you for calling. Uh, uh, Aura, and this is Aura. We help for checking and loans. It is just example uh, about function tools. This is function tool that it is able to transfer the call. It is also able to uh, end call functions, and that uh, checking availability, book an appointment, sending SMS, custom function, etc. According to your knowledge base, also we able to connect answer our bot answer to customer according to your knowledge base also. And speech setting, also I given speech setting like this one, you know that. Let's see here, call setting here, end call. 7 minute last max call durations, end call silence 2.5 minutes. Just for if we want to post call analysis, customer say something about the yeah, in the call, then we can able to getting the information. For example, let's example like customer says my name is Prathamesh and my mobile number is 7038 089 207. So bot able to getting information and store the information yeah, in the Google Sheet also yeah. And also for fallback voice also important for this bot, that I if this agent not able to connect to the customer, then Naina receive the call and Naina will communicate with their customer. That is it. Thank you for watching it, guys. This is just quick overview of my product, how it's work in real-time scenario, how I build the product, and how my bot behave with customer. If you're interested, learn more about my product, let's connect with me. I mention all my details in description below. And most important part, don't forget like, comment, subscribe, and follow to my channel to getting more updates every week. I come with every week, getting quick resolutions on every industries uh, by using AI. In my previous video, I also shared with you one of the best client review that from Austin, where we help to getting more leads by using AI. We specialize in AI automation service, and our aim is automate customer service by using AI. We automate inbound and outbound both the processes. And in the next video, I come with chatbot solutions. See you me in the next video. Thank you for watching it.